Think about this for a moment. When we are born, we get our first teacher. Our parents, they teach us how to walk, how to speak, what is right, and what is wrong. Then commies, our second teacher, school, books, classrooms, exams, and grades. But today, something has changed. Today, we have a third teacher, and most people don't even realize it. It is artificial intelligence. People don't open books first anymore. They open AI. They ask questions about studies, career, business, health, even life decisions. Parents taught us values. Schools taught us subjects, but AI teaches us answers, instant answers, no judgment, no embarrassment. You can ask the same question 100 times, and AI will still explain calmly. People trust AI because it is always available. No office hours, no holidays, day or night. The third teacher is always ready. That is powerful and also a little dangerous. AI is not here to replace parents. AI is not here to replace teachers. AI is here to assist us. The future belongs to those who learn how to learn with AI, not depend on it, but grow with it. Parents gave us life. Schools gave us knowledge, and AI is shaping our future. This is our third teacher. The question is, are we using it wisely?